What if your shipping department could save 2,000 man-hours a year just by switching to a brand new kind of packing slip? Think of the productivity. Then think of the simplicity, because all you have to do is switch to Zebra's fast and easy Z-Slip packing slip solution. Z-Slip is a 5 by 5 3/4 inch packing slip with an integrated peel and stick sleeve. As soon as it comes out of Zebra's rugged thermal printer, this all-in-one solution is ready to peel and apply. Compare the speedy Z-Slip system with printing and applying an ordinary packing slip. Traditionally, you print a packing slip from your laser printer. Once the slip comes out of the printer, you fold the slip once, twice, 3 times. Then you slide the slip into the sleeve. Remove the large and small liners from the packing slip sleeve and apply the sleeve to the box. All those steps take about 40 seconds. But Z-Slip is fast. Print a packing label at 6 inches per second using Zebra's rugged thermal printer. Tear off the label. Remove the backing and slap the label on the box. Print, peel, and apply in just about 11 seconds. That's around 29 seconds saved per package. You do the math. Shipping 1,000 packages a day using Z-Slip, you'll save 8 hours of labor per day. That's 2,000 hours per year. Z-Slip also saves time in the receiving department. Traditional packing slip envelopes need to be cut open with a knife. Sometimes when cutting open the envelope, the packing slip is also cut, and it's hard to read. With Z-Slip, peeling off the packing slip is simple and quick without damage. Fast, easy, time-saving.